Hey everyone! If you're a tech enthusiast like me, you've probably heard the buzz about Sonos finally stepping into the headphone game. And not just any headphones. Today, we're diving into the freshly unveiled Sonos Ace. Let's start with the design. Imagine taking the best bits of Sony's WH-1000 XM5 and Apple's AirPods Max, mixing them up, and what do you get? The Sonos Ace. These aren't just your average headphones, they're a sleek, feature-packed audio powerhouse. First off, the Ace boasts magnetic pleather ear cushions that are not only comfy but also practical. You know how annoying it can be trying to figure out which ear cushion goes where after a clean? Sonos has cleverly color-coded the insides. No more guesswork. Now let's talk sound quality because let's face it, that's what really matters, right? While I haven't had the chance to fully review these beauties yet, my initial impressions are pretty promising. The Ace seems to deliver crisp, clear audio that could potentially rival some of the top players in the market. But it's not all about looks and sound. Sonos has been cooking up this idea for years, pouring about 2 years of development into the Ace. And here's a kicker. These headphones were born out of the sheer volume of customer requests. That's right. People have been asking for Sonos to make headphones for ages, and they finally listened. I'm curious to see how they stack up against the competition in the long run, especially with Sonos's little app redesign hiccup. But for now, they're shaping up to be a solid contender. So, what do you think? Are the Sonos Ace headphones going to be your next big audio investment? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Can't wait to bring you the full review soon. Stay tuned and keep listening. Until next time, keep rocking those tunes. And remember, the future of audio is here with Sonos Ace. One of the standout features of the Sonos Ace is its intuitive control buttons. They're easy to use and highly responsive. You can effortlessly adjust the volume, skip tracks, and even take calls with just a few taps. And let's not forget the noise-canceling technology. The Ace uses advanced algorithms to block out unwanted noise, making your listening experience immersive. Whether you're in a busy cafe or on a noisy flight, the Ace ensures you only hear what you want to hear. Battery life is another area where the Sonos Ace shines. With up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge, these headphones are perfect for long trips. And if you're in a hurry, a quick 15-minute charge gives you up to 5 hours of playback. That's pretty impressive. But don't just take my word for it. Users are raving about the Sonos Ace, praising its sound quality, comfort, and battery life. When compared to other high-end headphones like Bose and Sennheiser, the Sonos Ace holds its own, offering a unique blend of features and performance. The Ace also comes with multiple audio modes, allowing you to customize your listening experience based on your environment and preferences. Switching between music and calls is seamless, thanks to the Ace's advanced connectivity features. With Bluetooth 5.0, you get a strong and stable connection, ensuring your audio is always clear and uninterrupted. Plus, you can connect the Ace to multiple devices at once, making it easy to switch between your phone, tablet, and laptop. The Sonos app also allows you to customize your sound settings, giving you full control over your audio experience. You can choose from different sound profiles or create your own, ensuring your music sounds just the way you like it. And if you're proud of your custom sound profile, you can even share it with friends through the app. Durability is another strong point for the Sonos Ace. These headphones are built to last, with a robust design that can withstand daily wear and tear. They're also weather resistant, so you can use them in various conditions without worrying about damage. Whether you're working out or just relaxing at home, the Ace provides a secure and comfortable fit, making them perfect for any activity. And when it comes to pricing, the Sonos Ace is competitively priced, offering great value for the features it provides. So, if you're in the market for new headphones, the Sonos Ace is definitely worth considering. The buzz around these headphones is real, and for good reason. They offer a fantastic blend of design, performance, and features. From the moment you unbox them, you can tell that the Sonos Ace is a premium product. The package includes everything you need, from a carrying case to a USB-C charging cable and extra ear cushions. Setting them up is a breeze, and you'll be enjoying your favorite tunes in no time. The audio quality is truly immersive, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the music. Overall, the Sonos Ace headphones are a game-changer in the world of audio tech. Stay tuned and keep listening. Until next time, keep rocking those tunes. And remember, the future of audio is here with Sonos Ace.